Welcome to Prince Institute Panipat. Progressive Magazine 103 back. Ready? Start. Sir, I would urge that the GST bill is a path-breaking report bill. It is a game changer. It is a constitution amendment bill. Therefore, I would again request and impress upon the government to reconsider its stand. This is a new bill. There is a number of provisions in this bill which were not deliberated by the standing committee earlier. The empowered committee, of course, with state finance ministers has taken many issues into consideration. Parliament, of course, will consider while we will be discussing on this aspect when this bill is taken up for reconsideration and passing, but the standing committee is losing its relevance. In today's newspaper, a news item has come out as to what happened during the last 1 year. A number of bills, and the number is given around 51 bills and ordinances were moved by the government. Many of them have not been referred to the standing committee. Hardly 8 bills have been referred to the standing committee. I would not ask the question whether this bill government is thinking to make the standing committee redundant, full stop. But the manner in which we are moving gives a wrong signal, as if the standing committee is not required. It will lose its relevance. My impression may be wrong, but many a time we have seen, at least on 2 occasions, whether it may be coal or it may be mines and minerals, that select committees have been formed in the other house, and within a small time frame a mandate was given. You submit a report and we will consider. That is how the select committee are being formed. Before the standing committee came into existence, perhaps select committee was the practice that was before 1993-94, but there is an issue where the members of parliament through standing committee can deliberate. If you have not referred it during the month of December or January, still I would say there is the time. Give a specific time period to the standing committee. We have monsoon session coming up in the month of July. So in the first week of July, the time frame can be given by the direction of the speaker. Here is a bill before us which we will be deliberated, but it will be better if you refer it to the standing committee. The standing committee's views are not mandatory on the government, they are suggestive in nature, full stop.